Hello viewers, welcome my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is good. So let's start our video. First, triangles. It's a triangles. It's two color combination. One color is silver color and black. Oh! And second color, triangles. It's fully black color triangles. Oh, it's very powerful triangles. Oh, and now three pistol collection. One, wow, it's a very amazing pistol. One golden color and second black. Pistol blade color is black. Show. Oh shit! It's very powerful pistol. And second small pistol. It's a sky blue and orange. Two combination color. And black color is black. You can blade here and shoot. Oh shit! It's a very powerful pistol. And at last, big pistol. It's a very powerful pistol. It's two combination color. It's from China. It's gun two combination color, silver and golden. Our blade color is yellow. Ho ho! And blade. We can blade here and shoot. Oh! Wow! It's very nice pistol. One more, bow and arrow. Oh ho! It's the two combination color, golden color and black color. Oh, nice bow and arrow. And last two bulbs. Oh ho! One bulb green and white, and second bulb sky blue and white. Oh! Play to every game. And at last, police handcuff. Oh ho! It's a very nice handcuff. So let's finish our video. Thank you.